hot, so hot heat. Become the problem, not
My boy Grinch.
Stop right there. No kids, no girls, no life. Bye.
You look like you're lifting a whole Christmas tree with a pinky toe.
It's positive vibes physics. It's too heavy in my heart. Never looking at it.
Nah man, you just don't got the technique. This could have been Julie or saxophone foreign, you know?
From foreign, that sounds complicated. More chances for sadness.
No sadness with Sky Pro Express. Them like the quickest flight in the sky. Your package alright. Save, no stress, no fuss.
No stress. I invented stress. I practically am stressed.
Listen, you remember that time you tried to steal all the presents from Whoville and your heart grew three-sided? Confusion, but surprisingly warm experience. Imagine that same feeling, but instead of stealing Christmas, you sending joy to someone far away.
So I could send my collection of pre-loved dust bunnies to my pen pal in Jamaica and they were alive on time?
Yes, and probably with a little snow dust from foreign. Them handle custom tracking everything, so you just sit back, relax, and maybe blow your heart to fourth side.
Fourth side, the possibility is Sky Pro Express, you say?
So next time you got something to send, don't be a Grinch about it. Link up, them got the rhythm and flow for your cargo.
I might even enjoy sending things now.
Imagine receiving a well-packaged Grinch item. That's the spirit. You ready or you still got that Grinchy frown?
Nonsense. I'm a change Grinch, a shipping Grinch. So let's get these packages to where they belong.
You always making an adventure, Grinchy.
Sky Pro Experts, we bring the work closer. One package at a time, no drama, just deliver.
Chill, Grinchy, Grinchy, Grinchy.